Look, if you are appearing your promotion exam this year, that is 2023, then you need to learn this. But if it is 2024 already, then please consider learning to write informal letter. That is letter to your father, letter to your mother, or uncle, auntie, or family, friend, or friends. In short, if it is 2024, learn informal letters. For now, let's see the things that we need to remember while writing a letter to the editor. 10 points to remember in this format. With a neatly drawn border, the sequence should be sender's address, date in proper format, receiver's designation, which will be the editor and newspaper's name, and the publishing place. Then comes salutation, after which we write the subject and underline it. Introduction, where you highlight the subject on which the letter is written. Body, where you elaborate the points and points in details. Then comes our conclusion part of the letter. Thank the receiver, because it is a good habit to be thankful. And finally, sign off with your identity as given in the question and with designation, if any. Hey, remember to read the questions carefully before you answer them. So as we see here, we have the letter to the editor in a neat box, beginning with an address, which is the sender's address, then the date. Check out the format, the manner in which the date is written, 31st January 2023. Remember, it straight away starts with the editor. No do these days. Salutation, that is sir or ma'am. And check out wherever we've used capitals. Then the subject, introduce your subject. Most of the time, normally I tell my students to memorize this part because, you know, most of the time it is the first step, it is the beginning, which is the most difficult, after which words just flows out, right? So I tell them to memorize. Through the columns of your esteemed dailies, I would like to draw the attention of the public and the concerned authority to words and whatever is written in the question. I mean, if you're going to make a classy application for your, you know, for something important, then maybe you need to be a little, you know, complicated and classy. But I can't lie, you know, here we're only working to get the mark. So normally I just tell them to memorize this part. So I think it would be a good idea if you would do the same. So in this letter, we're going to draw the attention of the public and the concerned authority towards the food consumption of toxic food. So I have chosen the subject, the consumption of toxic food that we take intentionally or unintentionally, which is proving hazardous to every individual. Then in the next paragraph, we start with the body. And also remember, whether it is an essay or notice or anything that is writing section, you know, diary entry or writing paragraphs or report writing, or even letters, whether it is personal or official, using of paragraph is a good idea. It you know, it separates your letter into different categories and different portions, so it is advisable for you to use paragraphs. In the body, you go in details. You may pause the video and check it out, then wrap it up with a conclusion with a nice thought, after which you can wind up with thank you, and then you come to an end with yours sincerely and your name. Over your name, you may add your signature, and under it you may put your designation, for which again, instead of writing whatever you want to write, try to look for clues and suggestions in the question. And that is about how you write a letter to the editor. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.